को खुद से मिलाने चला है ओ दीवाने, खुद ही को खुद से मिलाने चला है ओ दीवाने। गवाह है गुजरे जमाने, चले हैं जब परवाने, खुद ही को खुद से मिलाने चला है ओ दीवाने। खुद ही को खुद से मिलाने चला है ओ दीवाने। गवाह है गुजरे जमाने, चले हैं जब परवाने। ठहरा है आलम ये, रुकना न तुझको गवारा। ठहरा है वक्त भी, इस पर किसी का न पहरा। उड़े जो दिल की पतंग से, जुड़े हैं वो याराने। जवा दिन जब जिंदगी के शबे गम हो बेगाने। ख्वाबों के बादलों में उड़ा है ओ दीवाने। गवाह है गुजरे जमाने, चले हैं जब परवाने। गवाह है गुजरे जमाने, चले हैं जब परवाने। खुद ही को खुद से मिलाने चला है ओ दीवाने। लिख दे ये फसाना, देखे जो जमाना, तारों से आगे हो ख्वाबों का ठिकाना। लिख दे ये फसाना, देखे जो जमाना, तारों से आगे हो ख्वाबों का ठिकाना। है चुका जहां छट गया धुआं, है रुका समा हम हुए रवां। है चुका जहां छट गया धुआं, हम हुए रवां।
Hello and welcome. So this was a song by the band called Local Train. The name of the song is Khudi. Okay, I came to know about this band जब there was this friend of mine who just texted me कि okay पे band performance है वहाँ पे तुम्हें bass guitar बजाना है, are you interested? I said yes. और वो लोग ने बोला कि हम लोग ये गाना play करने वाले stage पे. That's when I came to know about this band. I really like this band. Maybe you all would like to check it out. Okay, so let us begin. Can you all see my screen which says answer writing lesson? Give me a thumbs up if yes. Okay, great. Let us move ahead. So let us first quickly discuss the norms of the class. The first norm obviously is participate actively. Can someone come off mute and tell me how can you participate actively? How will it look like in actions? Participate actively करना मतलब क्या? can raise your hand up to speak. Yes, go for it, Shubham.
Bhaiya, participate actively means that we have to like we have to avoid the distractions and all, and listen to Bhaiya and just try to give answers as much as we can. Yeah.
Yes, so I could only find out one action, which was try to answer as much as possible. It's okay if it is wrong, and it's okay to say that you don't know the answer. That is okay, but whenever Bhaiya is asking you questions, try to answer those. That is one action. Okay. Next knob is always raise your hand up, and only when I tell you, then unmute and speak so that we don't disturb others because of our background noise. Lastly, focus on learning. There will be many distractions. मेरा internet खराब हो सकता है, तुम लोग का internet खराब हो सकता है. But we know why I be here. We are here to focus on our learning. Background में कुछ भी noise होने दो, कोई भी obstacles आने दो. You all should be focusing on learning. The last one, this I have put it for the first time, right? There are always three norms. ये आज fourth norm मैंने डाला है. What could this be? Can anyone guess? What is this last norm? Who would like to guess? Okay, Azad. I'm assuming that's Azad or Archana.
Bhaiya, we have to open our camera.
You have to open your camera. That's a great guess. Thank you, Archana. So basically, keep your cameras on. Okay. As Deepak sir said, there is some government officer who might come and join our class, and for that officer to know that serious studying is going on, they need to see that your cameras are on. That's one reason. Second reason is whenever I see the screen, I only see the names of yours, right? And I feel like I'm talking to myself. Most of the times, you all will be writing by yourself. और मुझे लगा कि मैं अकेले खुद से बात कर रहा हूँ. So it's not a great feeling. So if you can, please keep your cameras on. Okay, let us move ahead. So we are going to start our opening with our emotion check. You'll know what to do. You're going to see this chart of emotions and you're going to type your answer in full sentence in the chat box. Okay, today you're feeling dash and why are you feeling whatever you are feeling. Let's take the next 3 minutes to complete this activity. Okay, I'm waiting for your responses in the chat box. Okay, Samina is feeling hopeful. Hopeful because dash bhi to hai na Samina. Maria, today I'm feeling happy because I'm just feeling it. Okay, she does not have a reason to feel happy. Samina is saying I'm feeling hopeful because she's hopeful that she'll understand the lecture. Next, Archana is saying she's feeling happy. Shubham has sent me privately. I really feel happy and confident today because I was able to answer all questions in today's lecture of Drone Bay. Lecture as in आज का learning session your me. Oh, science wala quiz. Rachna, today I'm feeling confused because this chapter is a little difficult or hard. Okay. Johnson and Ashwini, all have just joined. Quickly put down your answers in the chat box. Okay, what are you feeling today? Okay, people, let's take the next 2 minutes. Okay, just the next 2 minutes to complete typing your answers in the chat box. I'm waiting for Akash, Sapna. Okay, Sapna ka answer aa gaya. Today I'm feeling tired because I had lots of work at home today. Okay. Johnson is feeling happy. Johnson, why are you feeling happy? Because you're feeling happy because dash. Who is remaining? Ashwini, you're remaining, right? Ashwini is feeling bored. Okay. सारे learning sessions complete कर लो Ashwini, अगर bored हो जाए तो. Okay, that is it. Johnson is saying he's feeling happy because I have met my friend. Hey, don't meet your friends, Baba. Pandemic खत्म नहीं हुआ है. Azad, I'm feeling excited and happy because we will practice together. Shubham is requesting everyone to keep their cameras on. Mubashira is saying today I'm feeling sad because I haven't completed today's work. Okay. Mubashira, I hope you find the time to complete it after this learning session. Okay. And don't feel sad about it. It's okay to miss your deadline for a day or two. as long as you're doing it eventually. Okay. Great. People, if you haven't typed the answers in the chat box, do type it in the chat box. I will read it. Okay. But in the interest of time, I'm going to move ahead. So for today's learning session, what are the prerequisites? Prerequisites मतलब क्या? तुम लोगों को क्या क्या पहले से आना चाहिए so that you understand today's answer writing practice session. Okay. So you should have seen part 5, part 4. Part 3 was about balancing chemical equations, right? I know balancing chemical equations is a little complicated, okay? But it's okay if you don't understand balancing chemical equations for today's session. I haven't included any question based on balancing chemical equations. But part 5, part 4, part 2, and part 1, you all should have seen. And only if you see those videos, you will be able to make sense of today's class, okay? This is the agenda for today's meeting or our lesson. First, there are some complete the analogy type of questions. Then there will be questions where you have to identify endothermic and exothermic reactions. Then there is a reaction based question. एक reaction दिया होगा, उसके ऊपर कुछ questions होंगे, and then we will practice one 5-mark question. We should be able to complete at least these 4 types of questions by the end of the meeting today. Okay. Great. So this is your first set of questions. Let's take the next, I would say, 5 minutes to write these answers down in your notebooks. Okay. Make sure writing the answers down in your notebook. Let's take the next 5 minutes to do that.
रोहन भैया क्वेश्चन भी लिखना है.
Assume this is your question paper. अगर ये तुम लोग का question paper है तुम्हारे स्क्रीन में, तो तुम आंसर शीट में क्या लिखोगे वैसे लिखना. ओके. Okay, 2 minutes are up. By now, you all should have completed at least 2 questions. Last 3 minutes remaining. Once you are done solving all the questions, give me a thumbs up. Okay. Okay, one person is done solving all questions. I hope you have written the answers, okay, in your notebooks. Okay, 4 minutes are done. By now, you all should have completed the first 4 questions. Okay, these are 1 mark questions. The speed also has to increase. Last 1 minute to solve all questions. Give me a thumbs up once you're done. I've got 1 thumbs up till now. Okay, 2 people are done. Okay, we're going to come back in the next 20 seconds. Last 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Okay, Azad and Archana, both of you are done, kya?
Bhaiya, we have solved in the fourth question. We are going to solve the fifth.
Okay, Azad, tell me the answer to the first 4 questions. Chalo.
Okay, Bhaiya. So the first answer is of physical change.
Okay, read the question now first.
Yes, standing of Shahabad tile by lemon juice, chemical change. Breaking of a glass object and falling from a height. It is a physical change.
Okay, so Veta, so that is the correct answer. The correct answer is physical change. Where had we seen this? We had seen this table, right? In this table, we had seen staining of Shahabad or Kadappa tile by lemon juice is a chemical change. And from this table, you can tell that breaking of glass is a physical change. Okay, next.
Bhaiya, question बताओ.
AgNO.
AgNO plus NaCl dash NBaCl2 plus H2SO4 precipitates of BaSO4. So here we will get AgNO3 plus NaCl.
So you are saying यहाँ पे AgNO3 plus NaCl आएगा, ये तो यहाँ पे ही है ना, तो सेम चीज यहाँ पे लिखोगे.
AgCl plus Na2O.
Okay, AgCl plus Na2O. So you are solving the equation here, but यहाँ पे equation solve नहीं करना है. यहाँ पे equation solve किया है क्या? नहीं. यहाँ पे वो लोग ने सिर्फ बोला है कि whenever these reactants react with each other, you get a precipitate of BaSO4. तो यहाँ पे किसका precipitate मिलेगा? That's what they are asking. किसका precipitate मिलेगा यहाँ पे?
Bhaiya, we will get the precipitate of I think NaCl.
NaCl was already there ना, so वो react हो जाएगा, right? और change हो जाएगा फिर. यहाँ पे देखो क्या किया वो लोग ने, Ba यहाँ का Ba ले लिया और यहाँ का SO4 ले लिया, राइट? तो यहाँ पे भी तुम सेम करो. What will you get?
Na.
AgCl. Okay, Ag is positive, Cl is negative. Positive negative will come together. But that's a good try. Okay. So यहाँ पे precipitate of BaSO4 आ रहा है. Similarly here you will get precipitate of AgCl. यहाँ पे देखो Ba ले लिया फिर SO4 ले लिया. Similarly here you will take Ag and Cl. Precipitate of AgCl. Where did we see this?
Bhaiya,
Okay,
during when you were teaching with Bhaiya in YouTube, we have seen that experiment.
Yeah, so this is an example of double displacement reaction, right? In double displacement reaction, ions exchange हो जाते हैं and you get a precipitate. Okay, great. Next.
Reaction of a zinc with a solution of copper sulfate. It is a displacement reaction. Reaction of potassium chromate with solution of barium sulfate. So, Bhaiya, we will get the decomposition reaction.
Decomposition reaction. Again, let us see where we had seen this. Okay, zinc, reaction of zinc with copper sulfate. कहाँ पे देखा था? We had seen here, right? Zinc, copper sulfate is blue in color, zinc is green color, फिर बाद में brown color का हो जाता है and the solution becomes colorless. So this was an example of displacement reaction. And when we had seen potassium chromate and barium sulfate का reaction, here, right? Yes. So yellow precipitate is being formed. Whenever a precipitate is being formed and the ions are being exchanged, what is it? Double displacement reaction and not decomposition. Decomposition में एक reactant के दो product बन जाएगी. यहाँ पे दो reactant है, right? यहाँ पे potassium chromate भी है और barium sulfate भी है. तो दो reactants हो गए. Whenever there are two reactants, you cannot get a decomposition reaction. Decomposition में सिर्फ एक reactant होना चाहिए. Does that make sense?
I was thinking that it is forming a gaseous particle and that gas particle will go out. Decompose होने वाला नीचे participate.
Right. So इसलिए ना तुम लोग को I have given you all small videos and pictures to remember. ये तुम लोग को अगर ऐसे बिना picture के याद करोगे, you will forget it very easily. So always try to remember through the picture. अच्छा हाँ, barium sulfate and potassium chromate. So this picture should come in your mind, and then you should remember. अच्छा, this picture is double displacement reaction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, fourth question.
Dilution of concentrated sulfuric acid with water dash decomposition of calcium carbonate exothermic process. So bhaiya, in the upper we will get and exothermic process.
एक्सोथर्मिक. सी हियर यू डोंट इवन हैव टू थिंक. दो ही टाइप के प्रोसेसेस होते हैं, एक होता है एंडोथर्मिक प्रोसेस, एक होता है एक्सोथर्मिक प्रोसेस. तो यहाँ पे सेम एंडोथर्मिक प्रोसेस तो नहीं आएगा, कुछ तो और आएगा. कुछ तो और का ऑप्शन क्या बचा, सिर्फ एक ही बचा, राइट? तो एक्सोथर्मिक. So if this is endothermic, you don't even have to think, you don't even have to read the question, you have to directly write blindly exothermic process. Okay, similarly solve the fifth question also, Azad. This is very similar.
हाँ भैया, it is exothermic then I think.
Exactly, yes. यहाँ पे एक endothermic मिल गया तो दूसरा वाला exothermic हो जाएगा. Okay, great. Thank you, Azad, for telling all the answers. People, if you all have understood all the 5 questions, you all can give me a thumbs up. If there's any doubt, you all can unmute and ask me questions. Okay.
भैया, you have done a mistake here.
एंडोथर्मिक
भैया, exothermic आएगा last में.
Okay, I have made a mistake. Thank you for pointing that out. Exothermic. Okay. Great. Okay. Rachna, you have a question?
Where in the second question, if AgCl was forced, then what would happen?
Sorry, if AgCl was
Forced, then what would happen?
forged. What do you mean by forged? You try typing out your question in the chat box. Okay, Rachna. Till then, I'll take Karan's question. Karan, bolo.
भैया,
Yes.
मतलब अगर हर क्वेश्चन के लास्ट में एंडोथर्मिक प्रोसेस रहेगा तो उसका आंसर एक्सोथर्मिक प्रोसेस आएगा.
Yes, generally देखो कंप्लीट दी एनालॉजी में अगर एक का आंसर एंडोथर्मिक दे दिया तो दूसरा का ऑब्वियसली उल्टा होगा, बराबर. और अपने पास दो ही ऑप्शंस है, दो टाइप के प्रोसेस होते हैं, या तो एंडोथर्मिक होता है या तो एक्सोथर्मिक होता है. सो यू कैन अप्लाई दैट लॉजिक. तुम लोग क्वेश्चन पढ़ने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. आई नीड नॉट नो व्हाट इज KNO3 plus H2. I need not know what is NaOH plus H2. मुझे पता है एक अगर एंडोथर्मिक बोल दिया तो दूसरा वाला एक्सोथर्मिक ही होगा, कोई दूसरा ऑप्शन बचा ही नहीं, राइट?
और भैया अगर एक्सोथर्मिक होगा तो एंडोथर्मिक आंसर आएगा.
करेक्ट.
एंड भैया फॉर एग्जांपल लास्ट का क्वेश्चन मेरे को थोड़ा भी समझ में नहीं आया तो उसका आंसर कैसे निकालूंगा?
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying, right? In board exam, firstly you should attempt all questions, क्योंकि अगर question wrong हो गया तुम लोग को full marks मिल जाते हैं. And secondly, अगर तुम्हें आंसर नहीं आ रहा है, so you'll have to guess, right? आंसर तुम छोड़ोगे नहीं, question छोड़ोगे नहीं. So whenever you have endothermic as one of the options, it's very good guess to it would be a great guess कि दूसरा वाला जो बच गया उसको guess कर दो, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, Rachna, you haven't typed your question yet. You want to try asking it again, Rachna? Okay, I'm going to move ahead. You can type the question in the chat box. Okay, Rachna, I'll take it one-on-one. Okay, so we are going to move ahead. I'm hoping everyone else has understood the questions. Okay, I'm going to move ahead. The next set of questions are these. Again, 4 very simple questions. Okay, before I move ahead, Johnson, can you tell me इसका आंसर कैसे लिखेंगे? Johnson, can you unmute and tell me इसका आंसर कैसे लिखेंगे? Johnson, are you here? Okay, I am assuming Johnson is having internet issues. Can Samina tell me इसका आंसर कैसे लिखेंगे? How are you actually going to write the answer?
कौन सा भैया, ये थर्ड वन?
कोई भी, इसमें से कोई भी अगर ये तुम्हें क्वेश्चन पेपर में मिलेगा तो आंसर पेपर में कैसे लिखोगे? सिर्फ फिजिकल चेंज लिखोगे आंसर?
No, we will write the whole question and then write the answer because ये objective type है ना, इसलिए.
Right, and you will underline the answer, okay, so that it is easy to correct. Okay,
Yes.
great. Thank you, Samina. Okay, now you all can solve these questions. Okay, there are 4 simple questions. I'm giving you all 5 minutes to solve these questions. Okay, 5 minutes to solve these questions. Go for it. Once you're done solving, give me a thumbs up. Yes, Sapna?
भैया आपने जब क्वेश्चन बनाया था तो आपने वाला डायरेक्टली आंसर लिखना है. ए डाल के ऑप्शन में.
For question 1A,
ऑप्शन बी.
सी Sapna, question 1A कौन सा है? मल्टीपल चॉइस आंसर, राइट, जिसमें ऑप्शंस दिए होते हैं एंड वन ऑफ द ऑप्शंस इज करेक्ट, बट यहाँ पे ऑप्शंस दिए थे क्या? नहीं. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1B टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, राइट. 1B में ऑब्जेक्टिव्स होते हैं जिसका क्वेश्चन लिखना पड़ता है. समझा?
ओके
अगर ऑप्शंस दिए यू वोंट राइट द क्वेश्चन, अगर ऑप्शंस नहीं दिए यू विल राइट द क्वेश्चन. इजी. या okay, one person is already done. Two people are done. Okay, 3 people, 4 people are done. Five people are done. Great work, Chunamani. Two minutes are done. You all still have 3 minutes. Okay. So 6 people are done now. Seven people are done now. Great work, Karan. Okay, last 1 minute remaining. 8 people are done now. Nine people are done. तुम्हारा thumbs up देख लिया मैंने, बार बार thumbs up क्यों कर रहे हो? I've counted your thumbs up, Karan. Okay, let's come back in last 1 minute. Okay, last 1 minute, we're going to come back. You come back in 30 seconds now. Last 30 seconds. Wrap up your answers. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Maria, would you like to tell us the answers?
Yes, bhaiya.
Okay, so before you actually start telling us the answer, tell me what is the meaning of endothermic reaction? What is the meaning of exothermic reaction?
Bhaiya, क्या endothermic reaction means when क्या बोलते when the reaction is being done, then heat is either absorbed from the surrounding or has to be मतलब endothermic में क्या होता है when there is reaction going on, heat is either absorbed from the surrounding or has to be supplied continuously from outside, तो उसको बोलेंगे endothermic.
Great. And what is exothermic?
Exothermic is when the heat is released from due to reaction into the surrounding.
Okay, great. So tell me the answers for the first two. Okay, and the last two, Chunamani can answer them. So what is the answer for the first question?
HCl जो first वाला उसका है and it is an exothermic reaction.
Why? कैसे पता चला exothermic है?
भैया when NaC मतलब जब HCl और NaH plus करेंगे तो अपन को salt, we will get salt and water and therefore heat will be produced, so heat will be released outside from the reaction, तो exothermic.
Amazing. So UK यहाँ पे plus heat लिखा है product के side में, यानी reaction के बाद में heat मिलेगा, right? So heat is being released. So first one answer is exothermic. Amazing. Second question.
Second का it is an endothermic reaction because heat is coming from surroundings, मतलब
कैसे पता चला?
in reaction वो the arrow is saying that O2 is being, हाँ वो O2 जा रहा है ऊपर.
So this is telling that O2 is releasing, right? So उसमें heat का क्या संबंध है?
अच्छा भैया वो ट्रायंगल वाले से शायद द
Correct. Yes.
ट्रायंगल सेज दैट हीट इज बीइंग प्रोड्यूस्ड
Not produce, heat is being given. Okay. इसको
हाँ
ये जो KClO3 है उसको हम लोग हीट दे रहे हैं. वो किससे पता चलते हैं? ट्राइंगल वाले सिंबल से. ट्राइंगल सिंबल मींस वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग हीट. ओके, थैंक यू मारिया. सो द आंसर इज एंडोथर्मिक. हम लोग प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं हीट, इसलिए वो रिएक्शन हो रहा है. राइट, सो दिस इज एंडोथर्मिक. चुनामणि, वुड यू लाइक टू ट्राई द नेक्स्ट वन, थर्ड वन?
भैया third one is exothermic and fourth one is endothermic.
Okay, wait, let's slow down. Why is third one exothermic? कैसे पता चला?
भैया वो heat release हो रहा है ना.
हीट रिलीज हो रहा है तो क्या हो गया?
Exothermic.
हीट रिलीज हो गया तो एक्सोथर्मिक होता है?
नहीं. हाँ.
देख लो, डिसाइड कर लो. Yes, बोलो. Yes, that's correct. So the third one is exothermic because heat reactants के साइड में रिलीज हो रहा है. What do you have to see, चुनामणि? Reactants के साइड पे heat रिलीज हो रहा है, right? यानी रिएक्शन के बाद heat रिलीज हो रहा है. That's why it is exothermic. And the last one, explain us. जो कुछ भी तुम्हारा आंसर है उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन क्या है, चुनामणि?
इसमें CO2 वो R जा रहा है ना.
कैसे पता चला?
क्योंकि भैया एरो.
दिस एरो, इसका मतलब है CO2 रिलीज हो रहा है. उसका और हीट का क्या संबंध है? Think, Chunamani, think. Mamta, would you like to help Chunamani? Mamta, help Chunamani.
Bhaiya, I have a doubt. I don't know.
Oh, you have a doubt. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so I'm going to answer that. Okay, Chunamani, the reason this is endothermic is यहाँ पे triangle sign है. Triangle sign यानी हम लोग heat provide कर रहे हैं. Okay, so that's your answer, endothermic. Okay, Mamta, what's your doubt?
Bhaiya, how can we classify that this is an endothermic or exothermic?
Okay,
Heat
so
को देख के.
yes, Chunamani answered your question. So Mamta, endothermic मतलब क्या? Heat absorb हो रहा है. और exothermic मतलब क्या? Heat release हो रहा है. Is this part clear, Mamta?
Yes, bhaiya.
Okay, so now see the first reaction. यहाँ पे राइट साइड में प्लस हीट लिखा है, राइट? यानी रिएक्शन के एंड में हीट प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है. तो हीट रिलीज हो रहा है, हीट रिलीज हो रहा है तो एक्सोथर्मिक हो गया, राइट? सेकेंडली, इन द सेकेंड एग्जांपल यहाँ पे ट्राइंगल साइन डाल दिया. व्हाट डज द ट्राइंगल साइन मीन? वहां पे हम लोग हीट उसको दे रहे रिएक्टेंट को. ओके, सो KClO3 वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग हीट टू इट. एंड ये कैसे पता चलता है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे ट्राइंगल साइन आया, उसका मतलब हम लोग हीट प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. सो व्हेन हीट इज बीइंग एब्सॉर्ब्ड बाय द रिएक्टेंट्स, इट इज एन एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. एज सिंपल एज दैट.
Got it, bhaiya.
Okay, great. If this question, okay, before that, I'm going to ask Shoaib. Shoaib, तुमने आंसर कैसे लिखा?
हाँ भैया.
कैसे लिखा आंसर नोटबुक में?
भैया मैं अभी थोड़ा टाइम बाद आया, इसके लिए मैं नहीं.
Okay, you were late. Okay, no problem. Whom can I ask? Yes, Sapna, tell me, how did you write the answer?
भैया I write the question and then I write the answer.
Yes, पहले equation लिख दो and below the equation write the correct answer. Okay, and try to underline the correct answer so that it's easy for the examiner to check your answer. Okay, great. Let us move ahead, and thank you. I can see Shubham explaining some things in the chat box. Thank you for that. Okay, next, this is the question. Let us take another 5 minutes. Only 3 questions are there. You will not need more than 5 minutes to complete this question. Okay, so let's take the next 5 minutes to write down the answers to this question. Yes, Karan, you have a question.
भैया कैन यू प्लीज वो वाला अभी करो ना जो भी आपने किया अभी नहीं था फोर्थ का.
Okay, let's do this after the meeting, right?
भैया 1 minute. I have to take a screenshot only for 2 seconds.
I'll send the PDF in the group, ना रे बाबा. मैं पूरा का पूरा PDF send कर दूंगा group में.
Okay भैया.
Rachna?
It's in the type and not time.
हाँ भैया.
Oh, type. Okay, thank you. Thank you for telling me that. This question was asked in March 2019 board exam. So if you are able to answer this question correctly, इसका मतलब है तुम लोग को बोर्ड एग्जाम में मार्च 2019 के एग्जाम में तुम्हें 3 मार्क्स मिल जाते हैं. Okay, 2 minutes are up. Last 3 minutes remaining. At least first question अब तक हो जाना चाहिए था. Last 3 minutes remaining. Yes, Rashmi, you have a question?
Bhaiya, name means their chemical name, no?
Yes, chemical name. If you want to play safe, you can write all the names that you know. Chemical name and common name both.
Yeah, we have to write all of them.
What do you mean all of them?
सबका लिखने का है chemical name.
Read the question. The question is clear enough. Yes, Rachna. People, 3 minutes are done. Last 2 minutes remaining. Okay. Till now, you all should have completed the first 2 questions. Last 2 minutes remaining. Okay, 1 person is done. 2 people, 3 people are done. Four minutes done. Last 1 minute remaining. Last 1 minute remaining. Let's come back in the next 30 seconds. Okay. We'll come back in the next 30 seconds. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Shubham, tell me all the answers.
भैया, hello भैया. So भैया, question is identify and write the type of chemical reaction. The above reaction is via displacement reaction.
Why is the displacement reaction? Explain me.
Yeah, because in displacement reaction, one of the reactant combined with another to form the product. So here Ag plus Cl is making the products, and Na and NO3 is making the products here.
Okay, and what is double displacement reaction then?
In which the ions are shared.
Ions are
भैया exchange भाई.
तो यहाँ पे ions exchange नहीं हो रहे हैं क्या?
reacted and exchanged.
Exchange, not reacted, exchanged. Okay, thank you, Chunamani. But just check whether are you following today's norm, Chunamani. I think you joined in late, na? We are only going to unmute and speak when we raise your hand and Bhaiya tells you to. Okay. So शुभम, यहाँ पे आयंस एक्सचेंज हो रहे हैं क्या, ये बताओ मुझे.
Yes भैया.
So ये डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन है.
एक मिनट यार, डोंट कंफ्यूज. देखो भैया. नो
मेरा
भैया.
काम कंफ्यूज करना है, तुम्हारा
No, no.
काम है वो कंफ्यूज नहीं होना.
भैया no ions are changed भैया. Exchange मतलब.
So what's your final answer?
भैया displacement reaction.
Displacement reaction you are saying, not double displacement reaction.
हाँ भैया.
Okay, let's see the correct answer. Okay, so the correct answer is it is a double displacement reaction. I'll explain how. So double displacement reaction में there is exchange of ions going to happen. तो see here, Ag के साथ NO3 है, right? तो and यहाँ पे Na के साथ Cl है, and यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, Ag के साथ Cl आ जा रहा है, if you see here, and Na के साथ सोडियम के साथ NO3 आ रहा है, see over here. So exchange हो रहा है, right? NO3 Na के साथ चला गया, Cl Ag के साथ चला गया, and एक precipitate form हो गया. In double displacement reaction, always there will be a precipitate. What is displacement reaction? There will be one molecule made up of two parts. Okay, तो एक पार्ट उसको छोड़ के चला जाएगा, दूसरे मॉलिक्यूल से अटैच हो जाएगा. That's displacement reaction. But double displacement में exchange होने वाला है. Okay, does that make sense, everyone? Any questions in the first answer? If not, give me a thumbs up. If you have understood the answer to the first question, give me a thumbs up. If not, you all can unmute and ask. Okay, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 thumbs ups. Okay, I'm going to move ahead. Shubham, bolo second question का answer.
भैया second question define the above chemical reaction.
Yes.
Which is double displacement reaction. So I have.
हाँ, तो उसका definition बताओ.
हाँ भैया.
You remember?
हाँ
बोला मैंने.
अरे भैया याद है रुको ना. In which the ions are. The process in which ions are exchanged is known as double displacement reaction.
That's it. One point you are missing. Can someone remind Shubham? There is one point in the definition that he is missing. Exchange of ions तो ठीक है, but एक और चीज है. आजाद?
हाँ भैया, the less reactive ions will attach with the high reactive ion.
Okay. Okay, you have enhanced the answer, but still we are missing one point. In the definition itself, we are missing one point. What is that point? Yes, Akash.
भैया to form precipitate.
Amazing. So हमेशा double displacement reaction में precipitate form होगा. That also is the part of the definition. Great work, Akash. Shubham, you can continue. So read the answer to the second question, then move on to the third question. Okay.
The reaction in which the ions in the reactant are exchanged to form a precipitate are called double displacement reaction.
Okay. And the answer to the last question?
भैया, write the definition of अरे ये क्या भैया?
Okay, so I think I've written the wrong question. Just read from here. Okay, read from here.
Write the names of reactants and products of above reaction. So
Yes,
भैया.
so what is? हाँ बोलो.
AgNO3 aqueous plus NaCl.
No. ये तो कोई भी पढ़ के बता देगा. What is AgNO3 called? What is the molecular name of AgNO3?
I will tell.
Other check whether you are following today's norms or not. Shubham, continue.
भैया Ag is silver and NO3 is nitrate भैया.
Okay.
Silver nitrate.
Okay.
And NaCl भैया sulfuric acid.
हाँ, sulfuric acid.
नहीं.
What is the name?
Sodium chloride.
Sodium chloride. Next.
And AgCl. Silver chloride plus sodium nitrate.
Sodium chloride.
People just check whether we are following today's norms or not. One of the norms today was you will only unmute and speak when Bhaiya tells you to. Till then you're going to keep yourself on mute. So just check whether you're following today's norm or not. Okay. So the reactants are silver nitrate, AgNO3 and sodium chloride, NaCl. Products are silver chloride, AgCl and sodium nitrate, NaNO3. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So thank you, Shubham. People, if you all have any doubts, you all can unmute and ask me. If you all have understood all
Hello,
the
भैया.
Hello. Raise your hand up and then ask me, Chunamani.
हाँ भैया मैं raise hand
No.
किया हूँ.
I'm not going to answer. You have to raise your hand first. Yes, बोलो Chunamani.
इधर ये white क्या लिखा है? AgCl
Right.
के नीचे.
Good question, Chunamani. Would someone like to answer? ये white क्यों लिखा है यहाँ पे bracket में? Who would like to answer this question? Okay, Azad. or Archana, go for it.
भैया during this process white precipitate is formed.
एक मिनट आजाद, precipitate मतलब?
Precipitate मतलब like a powdery भैया, something which is powdery.
Okay, powder form हो जाता है. Okay, so white क्यों लिखा है यहाँ पे?
क्योंकि ड्यूरिंग दिस प्रोसेस कुछ ना मिक्स होने के बाद जो सोल्यूशन आने वाला है दैट विल बी लाइक फॉर्म ऑफ प्रेसिपिटेट एंड NaNO2.
बट व्हाइट क्यों लिखा है? प्रेसिपिटेट होने दो ना फॉर्म.
बिकॉज़ द पाउडर इज व्हाइट.
Okay, so Azad is saying because the powder is white. Okay, that's the correct answer. Chunamay, does that clear your doubt? ये जो precipitate है AgCl का वो white कलर का होगा, इसलिए यहाँ पे white लिखा है. Yes, okay. Any other doubts, people? Any other doubts? I'm going to wait for 5 seconds. If anyone has any doubts, you all can unmute and ask. Okay.
Yes, भैया.
You have a doubt, Shubham?
Yes.
बोलो.
भैया, I have not understand now also. ये जो भैया first था double displacement reaction कैसे हुआ?
Okay, so what I'm going to ask you to do is just go through your notes या फिर textbook खोलो. टेक्स्ट बुक में डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन का एग्जांपल देखो और डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट का रिएक्शन का एग्जांपल देखो. फिर भी नहीं समझे, देन अगेन कांटेक्ट मी ऑन व्हाट्सएप. ओके
ओके
या और मे बी यू कैन आल्सो ट्राई वाचिंग लर्निंग सेशन नंबर 4 अगेन and then you can contact me. Okay. Questions. Azad, do you have a question?
No bhaiya, I am going to lower my hand.
Okay. Chunaman, you have a question?
भैया जो ये लिखा रहे ना ग्रुप पे भेज देना.
Yes. If I don't send this on the group, remind me on WhatsApp. Okay, I will send a PDF of this in the group. Okay, we're going to move ahead. This is the last question for the day. Take 7 minutes. Okay, take 7 minutes to complete all 5 questions. I'm giving you 7 minutes. Actually, 7 minutes will be less. Take 10 minutes. Okay, we'll take 10 minutes to complete this question. Yes, Karan? Karan, you are on mute.
यस भैया.
हम्म.
भैया 10% डाटा बचा है मेरा.
10% में जितना देख सकते हो उतना देख लो. अमन, where's your notebook?
हाँ भैया.
Where's your notebook?
हाँ भैया, हम लोग बाहर
नोटबुक कहाँ भेज दिया?
Not good, Aman. Karan, I can understand you're sitting in your shop, right? But Aman, you should have brought your book when you went to Karan's place.
नहीं भैया, मैं अमन के घर पे ही हूँ.
Okay, you went to Aman's place. Okay.
Only for showing.
Karan, mute yourself. Yeah. Okay, people, 2 minutes are up. Last 8 minutes remaining. Okay, 8 minutes to solve this question. Yes, Shubham, you may ask your question.
Yeah. Study means we have to name the following, no?
I don't know. The question is clear enough. I will tell you when I am explaining. What will you study? You should know what are we to study using these apparatus. If you all don't know, you all can try and open your textbook and find where you find this apparatus and chemicals. If you all don't know the answer, don't just sit for the next 8 minutes. Okay, open your textbook and try to find where you find these apparatus and chemicals. Okay, 3 minutes are done. 7 minutes remaining. You have to write it in your notebooks, Karan, Aman. सिर्फ सोचना नहीं आंसर के बारे में, नोटबुक्स में लिखना है. Oh, you're showing me your notebook. Okay. Okay, friends, I think 4 minutes are done. 6 minutes remaining. I should have completed the first 2 questions by now. Okay, Rasna is saying she's unable to understand the question. Did you find where this apparatus and chemicals are in the textbook, Rasna?
You have to refer to textbook.
If you cannot answer the question by yourself, then refer the textbook. I know this is a little difficult question, that's why. Okay.
So it is in your video.
Yeah, video में मेरे वीडियो में सब कुछ टेक्स्ट में से ही होता है ना. Azad and Anshana saying they are done. Okay, let us see. Shubham is also saying he's done. Okay, last 3 minutes. Last 3 minutes. I should have completed the first 3 questions by now. Okay, last 2 minutes. Let's come back after 2 minutes. Okay, many people are telling me nahi aa raha. Okay, let's take the last 10 seconds. Okay, and then we'll start discussing. Is there anyone who has got the answer to the first question? Who has the answer to the first question? Shubham is saying yes. Anyone else? Akash has got the first answer. Okay, Akash, tell me what's the first. Read the question first and tell me the answer, Akash.
What will you study using our apparatus and chemicals? So, भैया, we will study decomposition reaction.
Okay, decomposition reaction. Let us see the correct answer. Okay, using the given apparatus. Okay, Akash, read the answer.
Using the given apparatus and chemical, decomposition of calcium carbonate and property of evolved gas is studied.
Okay, so you were right with respect to decomposition reaction, but किसका decomposition reaction? Calcium carbonate का decomposition reaction और फिर उसमें से gas निकलता है, उसको study करना. Okay, so you will get half mark for that answer. Okay, Akash, can you also solve the next few questions? Draw a neat label diagram for the experimental setup. Do you know which diagram to draw? Akash?
Yes भैया, भैया टेक्स्ट बुक में देख के बोल देना कौन सा वो फिगर का नंबर.
Is this the one?
Yes.
Yes. So this is the figure. Okay, यहाँ पे एक test tube है. Test tube में you put calcium carbonate. You're heating the test tube and you have a pipe which will take the gas which is evolved here and pass it through lime water. Akash, what is lime water?
Calcium carbonate.
अगर तुमने नींबू पानी बोला होता ना, घर पे आके मारता तुम्हें. Okay, so lime water is not नींबू पानी. Okay, it is calcium hydroxide वाला पानी. Okay, so this is the diagram. So we'll draw and we had seen this experiment in one of our learning sessions, right? यहाँ पे कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट को हीट कर रहे हैं बर्नर से, और यहाँ से एक गैस निकल के लाइम वाटर में पास हो रही है. You can see the bubbles evolving in the lime water, and after you do this for a long time, उसका कलर white कलर का हो जाता है because of this gas reacting with lime water. Okay, so and also remember what is lime water? It is calcium hydroxide plus water. Limestone is calcium carbonate, quicklime is calcium oxide, slate lime is calcium hydroxide, and lime water is calcium hydroxide plus water. Okay, so this you will draw this particular diagram from the textbook for question number 2. Third, who would like to answer the third question? Now that I have given you a hint, who would like to answer the third question? Okay, Shubham is there, Azad Achana are there, and Aman, Akash are there. Okay, Aman, would you like to try?
हाँ भैया, the answer of third one is the chemical carbonate is when gas is evolved, the CaO plus CO2 are products are formed.
You not answered the question. कौन सा gas evolve हो रहा है? बस यही इसका आंसर चाहिए मुझे.
The gas carbon dioxide is involved in the evolving.
Okay, that's it. उतना ही आंसर, एक लाइन का आंसर लिखना था. Okay, that the gas evolved when calcium carbonate is heated is carbon dioxide. Which was the reaction? This is the reaction, right? Calcium carbonate, when it is heated, you get calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Aman, can you try the fourth question as well?
भैया, can you repeat what? आवाज नहीं आ रही, नेट खत्म हो गया, आवाज खत्म हो गया.
Can you try the fourth question as well?
बाद में.
अबे हाँ भैया.
Yes. CaO, उसका नाम क्या है? Okay, Shubham, continue. What is the answer?
A.
Calcium oxide.
Calcium oxide. Okay, the answer is calcium oxide. So the solid product left behind after calcium carbonate is heated is calcium oxide. Last answer, Rachana. Read the question and tell the answer, Rachana.
Products formed when evolved gas reacts with freshly lime water.
Freshly prepared lime water. Yes. कौन सा product form होगा?
Calcium oxide and carbon dioxide.
Okay, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide कब होगा? When calcium carbonate is heated. But यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? When the gas reacts with freshly prepared lime water. The question is अलग अभी. ये equation apply नहीं हुआ, दूसरा equation होगा. Think again, Rachana. When the gas evolved reacts with freshly prepared lime water. अभी right side में क्या होगा यहाँ पे? No, you can't remember, Rachana.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, that's okay. Azad, Archana, whoever is ready.
भैया
CaO CO3 भैया.
CaOCO3. Okay, so the answer is CaCO3 and water. Okay, ये कौन सा रिएक्शन था? ये सेकंड रिएक्शन है, राइट? यहाँ पे जो कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड है लाइम वाटर में, वो जब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के साथ रिएक्ट करता है, यू गेट कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट एंड वाटर. सो दिस विल बी योर आंसर. सो दिस इज द एंटायर आंसर. दिस वाज द स्लाइड फ्रॉम आवर लर्निंग सेशन. अगर ये स्लाइड तुम्हें याद था लर्निंग सेशन से, तो तुम्हें सारे क्वेश्चन के आंसर आ जाते. सो द ओनली डिफरेंस इज तुम लोग अभी जब तुम लोग पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, राइट, यू हैव टू मेक श्योर. अच्छा, तुम्हें समझ तो गया है. ओके, लर्निंग सेशन, दिस लर्निंग सेशन मोस्ट ऑफ यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड, बट उसको लेके हाउ विल यू राइट द आंसर टू दीज क्वेश्चंस, ये तुम्हें आना चाहिए. कोई क्वेश्चन ये लोग ट्विस्ट करके पूछेंगे. दे वोंट इजीली आस्क यू कि अच्छा ये रिएक्शन होगा तो प्रोडक्ट क्या मिलेगा. दे विल गिव यू द apparatus and chemicals, and then you have to answer these questions. So you should be able to answer different types of question even if you know one particular concept about it. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can ask questions. If not, we can move ahead. Shubham?
Bhaiya, when we will write calcium bicarbonate? Like
when we will write, see, carbonate is CO3, right? So bicarbonate कब होता है? जब HCO3 होता है. So यहाँ पे CO3 मतलब carbonate, HCO3 मतलब bicarbonate. You have to
hydrogen is no?
Yeah. Next, Azad, Anshana, who has a doubt?
भैया, if like in the tube which is passing the gas from one side to another, if we will add like carbon dioxide pipe, मतलब एक लिंक बना देंगे, और so भैया will there be any changes?
I did not understand your question. इसमें से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड पास होके लाइम वाटर में जा रहा है, तुम क्या चेंज कर रहे हो?
ऊपर है ना पाइप, भैया इफ वी विल कनेक्ट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, लाइक वो कनेक्ट कर देंगे उसमें एक पाइप, उसमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड पास हो रहा है, so will there be any changes?
It will be same, right? It will be same as long as your reaction does not change. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कहीं से भी आने दो, यहाँ से आने दो या फिर कहीं और दूसरे सोर्स से आने दो, the reaction is going to remain the same. Okay.
And भैया if we will heat from opposite side
यानी ऊपर से,
from the lime water, so what we will get? Lime water पहले से बना हुआ है,
so that will be a different reaction ना. अगर तुम लाइम वाटर यानी हाइड्रोजन कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को हीट दे रहे हो, यानी यहाँ पे तुम जला रहे हो, तो एक अलग रिएक्शन होगा. Okay, any other questions?
Bhaiya, if what, bhaiya, why can't we say that it is an endothermic process?
You can say this is endothermic ना, क्योंकि यहाँ पे तुम हीट प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो, तो ये एंडोथर्मिक ही हो गया.
Okay भैया.
Okay, so we are going to move ahead. People who have doubts, you all can stay back. Okay, you all can stay back and get your doubts cleared. But before that, let's do our closing activity again. Share your answers in the chat box. Quickly, let's take the next 2 minutes to share your answers in the chat box. Okay. Today you are feeling dash because dash, and you can see the emotions chart over here to see what you are feeling. Chunamani is saying he's feeling everything. Why are you feeling everything, Chunamani? Try to think about that. Rasnaha, I am still feeling confused only. Samin, I am feeling more confident after attending the meeting. I am really feeling confident and learned from my mistake today. Chunamani asked कि तुम सब कुछ फील कर रहे हो, क्यों फील कर रहे हो, ये भी बताना है भाई. तुम जो कुछ भी फील कर रहे हो, क्यों फील कर रहे हो, ये भी बताना है in the chat box. People who have still confusions, you can wait back after the class and you can get your doubts cleared. Okay. Next, Azad. Bhaiya, I am feeling confident and happy because I tried my best to answer the question and also I've understood everything. Maria is saying she is feeling happy. Sapna is feeling feeling a little confident from the meeting. Chunamani says he does not know what he's feeling, why he's feeling. Mamta is saying she's feeling sleepy, or you can sleep after the meeting. Johnson is saying he's feeling much better. Okay. Let's take the last 30 seconds to write down your answers in the chat box. Okay. Shoaib is feeling happy. Why are you feeling happy, Shoaib? तुम late क्यों है पहले ये बताओ. Akash, I'm feeling confident because I understood everything. Archana, I am feeling confident because all my doubts got cleared. Raj Dubey is feeling scared, worried, disappointed. Raj, you attended the meeting very late. Last 20 minutes you attended the meeting. It's not good. Every time you attend the meeting late, it's not a good habit to have, Raj. Shoaib is saying he's feeling happy because he's going to sleep, I'm guessing. Okay, so that is it. I hope you all understood a little more about this chapter after this meeting. I want to end the meeting with this quote: a failure is not always a mistake. It may simply be the best one can do under the circumstances. And the real mistake is to stop trying, especially for the people who are still feeling confused. It is not a failure. Okay, making mistakes is not a failure. It's just the best you have done in the given circumstances. The real mistake will be when you will stop trying, when you will just give up. Okay, मेरे को कुछ भी नहीं आता, मैं पढ़ने नहीं वाला हूँ, ये option, ये chapter option में, तब you have really made a mistake. Okay, but till the time you keep on trying. Who was that?
Raj.
Till the time you all keep on trying, it's not a mistake. Okay. Yes, you all can leave the meeting now. If you all have any doubts, you all can stay back. Okay. If you all have understood, you all can leave. That's Chunamani. Bye. Okay. If you all don't have any doubts, you all can leave the meeting now. See you guys. Bye. Bye.